Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. I am Folashade Crown. If you want to see how I create this lip color on myself, stay tuned. So I'm going to be using these two colors together. This classic lip color with this perfect square. I need to hydrate my lip. Very well, so I'm going to be using this just moisturize my lip. It's like a storm inside my head, pulling me closer to the edge. I try to stay, but I'm breaking apart. Are we holding on? Or did we lose the spark? We're running out of time, caught in the fire. Every word's a flame, taking us higher. I'm burning up, can't turn around. In a world so loud, don't let me down. We're running out of time, should we hold tight or just let go? It's me and you against the world, but I don't know. You say it's fine, but there's fear in your eyes. Pretending we're okay feels like living a lie. Next, I'm going to go into the red color. Through the city lights, leaving our ghosts under neon signs. We're two faces in the dark, holding on to broken parts, trying to feel what we used to know, but maybe it's gone. Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Hope you enjoy this my video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Turn on the post notification bell for more video updates. Comment on the comment section below if there's any video at all you want me to upload, and share my video with friends and family. Which one do you think is more better? Is it the matte one or the gloss one? If you want the matte one, comment on the comment section below. If it is the glossy one that you prefer, let me know on the comment section. To all my returning subscribers, thank you and God bless you. Bye. Comment on the comment section below which one you prefer to have, either glossy one or the matte.